how we can install Java. So let's navigate to Java downloads. Here we can see Java 26, 25, 21. So select needed version, select system, and the best way is to use installer. When download finished, let's open and run yes. So it starts installing. So we need to configure. I use default configuration. Successfully installed. We close. Let's open CMD. So we can press Java where shell. So we can see Java 25 we installed.